According to Drive Tesla, several new accessories are available for Tesla enthusiasts this holiday season. Here are some highlights. The Tesla gaming controller, priced at $75, connects via Bluetooth and supports up to 4 controllers. It works with Tesla's built-in games and charges wirelessly on the car's charging pad. The 6D Tesla-compatible invisible foldaway car mount with Qi2 Wireless Charging is priced at $118. It integrates with Tesla's interior and offers hands-free navigation, calls, and entertainment. A $75 car neck pillow provides added comfort for long drives, making it a thoughtful gift for frequent travelers. The 30-liter stackable storage box and trunk organizer costs $154. It maximizes trunk space and can also fit between the rear seats of the Tesla Model X. For $124, the foldable car tray is a convenient option for meals, work, or hobbies on the go. A bundle version includes a backseat accessory kit for families. Lastly, the portable air compressor and charging solution kit is priced at $155. It ensures tires are properly inflated during winter, prioritizing safety. These accessories aim to enhance comfort, convenience, and utility for Tesla owners. You are listening to Yuan News.